In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Hostinger Website Builder. If you're managing your website and want to remove a page you no longer need, this process is very simple once you know where to look. Maybe you created a test page, an old service page, or a draft that you no longer want visible on your site. Whatever the reason, Hostinger Website Builder gives you a quick way to delete it directly from the editor. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website list and click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage the site you want to update. From there, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can make changes to your site's design, content, and structure. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see all the editing options clearly. Once you're in the editor, find and click Pages. This is where all the pages on your website are listed in one place. You'll be able to see your home page and any additional pages you've created, such as contact pages, about pages, landing pages, or other custom sections. Now, locate the specific page you want to remove. Be careful here and make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if several pages have similar names. Next to that page, click the three dots to open more options. This menu contains actions related to that page. From the menu, click Delete. That will remove the page from your website builder. If Hostinger asks you to confirm the action, go ahead and confirm only if you're sure. This is a good moment to pause and double-check, because deleting the wrong page can create extra work later. After deleting the page, it's a good idea to review your site navigation and make sure everything still looks clean and organized. If that page was linked in your menu, you'll want to confirm that it no longer appears there. Also, don't forget to save or update your website if needed, so the change is reflected properly. And that's it. That's how to delete a page in Hostinger Website Builder. Once you know where the Pages section is, removing an unwanted page only takes a few clicks.